Hey guys, me again. I just want to talk about, see if I can move this over. Maybe it'd be a little brighter. Sorry. Anyway, now that I'm prepped, there's, sometimes you're maybe not getting what you think you want. And that is probably, or not even probably, largely because you're getting what you're focusing on. So now if you're focusing on how things are not going so well and how you're trying to get this or how you're trying to do that and nothing's falling through, nothing's going to continue to not follow through. Okay? It is about having that positive attitude. A negative attitude, let's just look at it just straight off the cuff. If you had a positive attitude versus a negative attitude, things are going to be easier in your life than they are if you hang on to the negative side, because you're always depressed. And 9-to-5 jobs can create that, but you got to stay positive. And the more that you focus on the things that you don't want, the more those things show up in your life. So it's kind of a radical adjustment, if you will, but it's an adjustment nonetheless, and it takes time to get that adjustment going. So think a little positive, think a little bit more positive, and start being a little bit more grateful for the things that you do have. Because if you're grateful for the things that you do have, more things show up in your life. Now, that may sound a little fuzzy to you, but if it is, it's probably because you're not overly successful at this point and you just don't want to take that step. Guys, an attitude that's positive is going to get you a whole lot further. Talk to you later. Bye.